If you have your property listed on booking.com and you're looking to unlist it, or if you want to terminate the contract with booking.com, in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Try and do this from their website because their phone app, which is called Pulse, is not really well suited for things like this. Once you are logged into extranet, you can simply go to admin.booking.com. That will take you to the booking.com extranet. Just click on the property which you want to unlist. Once the property is loaded, just click on property and click on general info. And on this page, in the first block, you will see property status. And under that, you can see snooze your listing. So if you want to unlist your property, just click on snooze your listing. And on the next page, you can choose the reason, whatever is relevant to you. In this case, I will choose legal reasons. Do you want your property to remain open for bookings beyond the snooze period? In my case, I'm going to say no. And then you can simply choose the dates when you want your property to be not available on booking.com. This is just unlisting a property. It means the end date you choose here, on that day, it will automatically be published again and people will be able to book it. So be very careful with that. And then you need to choose this option. I will honor all the existing bookings. It also shows you how many bookings you have upcoming in the calendar, and just click on next. And on this page, you can click done again. This will snooze your property. As you can see, the status now shows closed, not bookable. This property is no longer available on booking.com for people to book. On the other hand, if you want to terminate the contract, if you just want to permanently remove your property for booking.com, for that, you need to go on to your inbox and then click on booking.com messages. And on the next screen, click on see contact options on the bottom right. And on the menu that pops up on the right hand side, choose the last option, which is account, password, contacts, and terminate contract. And then again, choose the second last option, which is terminate contract. That will bring you to the terminate contract button. I'm not going to press this button because I do not really want to terminate at this point. But if that is what you need to do, just click on terminate contract. And the process is simple. After that, you will receive a confirmation email as well. You just need to confirm it again, and they will terminate the contract. Keep in mind, you need to have all your dues cleared by booking.com before you can terminate contract. If you have any future bookings, they won't let you terminate the contract unless you go and cancel the booking, which is always very expensive on booking.com because they charge you for the difference in relocating the guest. For example, if your property was for $100 a night and you canceled it, booking.com will relocate the guest to, let's say, a $200 a night property, and they will bill you the difference. You will need to pay that before you can terminate the contract. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.